Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to limit the background applications. Simply go to settings and scroll down at the bottom. You can see the option developer options. If you are not able to enable developer options, simply go to the about phone and simply you can enable developer options. Now open the developer options and simply scroll down. Go to the application apps section. Scroll down. Yeah. So here you can see the option background process limit. You can see under app section here you can see background process limit. Tap on this one. So from here you need to select the option 2 to 3 applications. You can select at most 2 process or at most 3 process. Okay. It will reduce lag by freeing RAM. So simply in this way we can limit background applications on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.